This video is a continuation of prelim paper 2021. So let us start with question number 4. Now question number 4 is, if the nth term of an AP is 3n minus 5, then the common difference is. Now as you know, we find the common difference by previous next term minus previous term. म्हणजे नेक्स्ट टर्म समज हो 5,6 अशे टर्म असता जाल्यार आमी कॉमन डिफरन्स काडटा 6 minus 5. बट in this case the nth term of an AP is given as 3n minus 5. आता nth term 3n minus 5 म्हणजे त्याच्या फुडलो टर्म कितें आसपाक जाय तो आमकां पयलीं घेवचो पडटलो आनी मागीर आमकां कॉमन डिफरन्स काडपाक जाय. आता नेक्स्ट nth टर्म समज n आसा जाल्यार त्याचो नेक्स्ट प्रिवियस टर्म आसता n minus 1. म्हणजे हो टर्म इन दिस केस इट विल बी 3n minus 1 minus 5. So after solving this we will get previous term and this will be 3n minus 3 minus 5. So this is 3n minus 8 and nth term is 3n minus 5. So now we can find the common difference d. So d is equal to 3n minus 5 minus previous term, and previous term is 3n minus 8. So open the bracket, 3n minus 5 minus 3n plus 8. So minus minus become plus. Now plus 3n and minus 3n get cancelled and we get minus 5 plus 8, and minus 5 plus 8 is 3. So your answer is 3. Now next question is, 100 surnames were randomly picked up from a local telephone directory and the frequency distribution of the letter in the English alphabet in the surnames was obtained as follow, and question is to find the mode of the observation or mode of the data. Now आता आन्सर पेपरार बरयतना तुम्ही कितें करपाचें, हो दोन्ही हे जे आसा पळय ते तुम्ही आन्सर पेपरार बरयतना बरोवपाक जाय. म्हणजे क्लास इंटरवल आणि फ्रिक्वेन्सी तुम्ही बरोवपाक जाय. क्लास इंटरवल तुमकां हांगा 1 to 4, then 4 to 7 is given, 7 to 10 is given, 10 to 13 is given, 13 to 16 is given, and 16 to 19 is given, and frequency is given as 6, 30, 40, 16, 4 and 4. Like this you have to write on the answer paper. आता आन्सर पेपर अशें बरोवन जालें काय ना, तुम्ही कितें करपाचो आतां मोडल क्लास तुम्ही फायंड आउट करपाचो. मोडल क्लास कशी काडटा तुम्ही, हायेस्ट फ्रिक्वेन्सी आसा हांगा 40. सो दिस इज योर मोडल क्लास, एंड टू फायंड द मोडल क्लास यू गेट हाफ मार्क्स. सो अशें तुमी अंडरलायन सुद्दां केलें, हो मोडल क्लास अशें बरयना सुद्दां आनी फक्त अंडरलायन केलें सुद्दां जाल्यार तुमकां हाफ मार्क मेळटा. देन सगळे व्हॅल्यूज बरोवपाक, म्हणजे हो तुमचो F0, F1, दिस इज F2, दिस इज L, lower limit. Then what is your H? H is the difference, 19 minus 16 or 16 minus 13, that is 3. So हे सगळे व्हॅल्यू तुम्ही समज अशें बरयत जावं हांगाच सुद्दां असो टेबल केलो आनी थंयच सुद्दां बरयलें जाल्यार उरलेले हाफ मार्क मेळटा. एंड 1 mark for writing the formulas. You don't get the mark, but you have to write the formula correctly. म्हणजे फुडले आन्सर्स तुमकां करेक्ट मेळटले. हे दोन्ही स्टेप्स समज तुमचे करेक्ट आसा आनी फायनल आन्सर समज करेक्ट आसा जाल्यार उरलेलो तुमकां नेक्स्ट तुमकां 1 mark मेळटा. Okay, so just to write this value F0, F1, F2, H, and to identify the modal class you get 1 mark, and remaining 1 mark, this half mark for this solution, and final answers, that is 7.88, you get half mark. Now next question number C. Riya saves rupees 32 during the first month, rupees 36 in the second month, and rupees 40 in the third month. Now how, let us see her saving. Her saving is 32 rupees in the first month, then 36 in the second month, and the rupees 40 in the third month. If she continues to save in this manner, in how many months will she save rupees 2000? अशें सेव करीत रावले जाल्यार रुपीज 2000 खंयच्या मंथान तेजे सेव जातले ते तुम्ही फायंड आउट करपाक जाय. आता हांगासर you know A, you know now because 3 terms you can find the difference तुम्ही फाइंड आउट करू शकता. that is 36 minus 32 or 40 minus 30, so you get the difference. and sum म्हणजे 32 plus 36 plus 40 म्हणजे अप टू कितले तरी महिने सेव करता ते, आणि टोटल अमाउंट 2000 शी saves. So you know SN is 2000, and your question is टू फायंड इन हाव मेनी मंथ्स म्हणजे कितले म्हयने लागले तेका ₹2000 सेव जावपा खातीर ते तुमी फायंड आउट करपाक जाय. म्हणजे तुमकां फायंड आउट करपाक जाय एन तुमी फायंड आउट करपाक जाय. सो युअर फॉर्म्युला इज SN इज इक्वल टू, आता हो फॉर्म्युला यूज करपाचो तुमी, SN इज इक्वल टू N/2 2A plus N-1D. This is the formula you have to use. Now in this case SN you know 2000, A you know D, only N तुम्ही फाइंड आउट करपाक जाय. सो सगळे व्हॅल्यूज सबस्टिट्यूट करून हांगा समज तुमकां, now in this case you will get a quadratic equation, and quadratic equation, after finding this quadratic equation you have to solve by factorization method, and after finding the values you get one negative value and one positive value. माहिती value negative value असा तो डिस्कार्ड केला बिकॉज नंबर ऑफ मंथ्स कॅनॉट बी नेगेटिव्ह. तो रिजन बरोवपा खातीर हाफ मार्क मेळटा तुमकां. आनी फायनल स्टेटमेंट बरोवपाक, सो रिया सेव्स ₹2000 इन 25 months. आनी आतां प्रॉपर हांगा तसा तशेंच बरोवपाक जाय अशें ना, पूण स्टेटमेंट बरोवपाक कंपल्सरी, अँड दॅट यू गेट हाफ मार्क. नाव सी द सोल्युशन हाव इट इज सॉल्व. Now next question number D. The following table shows the ages of 80 patients admitted in the hospital during the year. Now this is the table given and you have to solve this to find the mean, and taking the class mark of class interval 35 to 45 is the class mark. Now see this table. आता असोच टेबल तुम्ही आन्सर पेपरार काडपाक जाय. आता मार्क्स डिस्ट्रीब्युशन, दिस इज अ 4 mark क्वेश्चन. नाव यू नो दॅट क्लास मार्क म्हणजे हांगासर 5 आणि 15 मिड पॉयंट. ते मिड पॉयंट आता म्हणजे हो फूल क्लास मार्क फूल समज सगळे तुमचे करेक्ट असले, सगळे करेक्ट तुम्ही बरयले जाल्यार यू गेट 1 mark फॉर दीस कॉलम. then you have to find DI is equal to XI minus A. Now you know that A is what class mark of class interval 35 to 45. This is your class mark of class interval 35 to, this is your A. And hot table समज तुमका correct मेळ्ळो you get 1 mark. Then you find FI DI and full table समज correct मेळ्ळो जाल्यार 1 mark मेळटा तुमका. आणि then afterwards you get remaining 1 mark for finding the mean. आता mean find out करपा खातीर तुमका समज हे correctly तुम्ही बरयले you get half mark, and final correct answer you get half mark. Now in this case in finding the mean हांगासर लास्ट स्टेटमेंटाक ते मार्क्स ना, पूण हांगासर बट एवरी टायम आन्सर की सेम अशीच आसता अशी ना. सो लास्ट स्टेटमेंट ऑलवेज यू ट्राय टू रायट द लास्ट स्टेटमेंट बिकॉज देर माइट बी marks for that last statement. Now next question is question number 5A. Now 5A, select and write the most appropriate alternative from those given below. Again fill in the blanks. The numerical value of sin 50 upon cos 40. आता numerical value of sin 50 upon cos 40. आता हे सॉल्व कशें करपाचें. नाव sin 50 you know it is cos 90 minus 50 upon cos 40. Again here also you can write sin 50 upon sin 90 minus 40. कशें बरयल्या जाता. The cos 90 minus 50 is cos 40. Cos 40 upon cos 40. This you can cancel. After cancelling you get 1. So your answer is 1. Next question B. In TRY triangle, R is 90 degree, tan Y is 40 upon 9. Then find the value of length TY. Now you know that tan is opposite upon adjacent. Now Y, angle with respect to angle Y, opposite is TR, that is 40, and adjacent is 9. But in this case it is very important to take K तुम्ही घेवपाकूच जाय because हे रेशियो आसा म्हणटकूच कॉन्स्टंट घेवपाकूच जाय. Now first question is to find TY. Now let us see the answer key. Now हांगासर ह्या आन्सर कीन तुम्ही समज हांगासर पायथागोरस थियरम हो बरयता, पूण हे K very important to find this value TY is equal to 41K. समज K ना, समज तुम्ही K खंयच घालूंक ना जाल्यार तुमचो हाफ मार्क कॅन्सल जातलो. म्हणजे ओनली इफ यू रायट 40 स्क्वेअर बरयले, 9 स्क्वेअर बरयले, देर इज नो K, देन हाफ मार्क विल बी कॅन्सल्ड. सो K थंय आसपाकूच जाय. देन the length of TY is equal to 40. हे सुद्धा तुम्ही इतले सुद्धा असं जाल्यार you get 1 mark for that, but K आसपाकूच जाय. In some answer key they mention that if K is not there then you cancel half mark, so half mark cancel जातलो तुमचो. नेक्स्ट इज टू फाइंड द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ कॉस टी. आता कॉस टी सुद्धा काडटाना पळय कशें आसता तें 40k अपॉन 41k. सो हे तुमी बरोवपाकूच जाय. समज के ना आनी तुमी फक्त डायरेक्ट हो आन्सर बरयला, यू वील ओनली गेट हाफ मार्क. सो दोनी आसपाक जाय. यू वील गेट हाफ मार्क फॉर दीस, हाफ मार्क फॉर दीस. सो दोनी हांगा हाफ मार्क, हांगा हाफ मार्क मेळटले. So next value is sin y. Sin y is again you know opposite upon hypotenuse. So 40k upon 41k. So ho k very important. Ho समज step तुम्ही बरयना only 40 upon 41 you get half mark. So both दोन्ही बरोवपा खातीर half and half mark you get 1 mark. Next question is prove the following identity. Now your identity is see. You can start from left hand side also or you can start from right hand side also. Now in this आन्सर की इट इज स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम रायट हँड सायड. आता रायट हँड सायड पयलीं दाखयता हांव तुमकां आनी मागीर हांव लेफ्ट हँड सायडींतल्यान दाखयता कशें काडप तें. नाव रायट हँड सायड एज यू नो sec a plus 10a the whole square. Now you know sec a is 1 upon cos a plus 10 you know sin upon cos. So sin a upon cos a the whole square. Now because denominator is same, denominator दोन्ही same असा, you can write it once cos a and 1 plus sin a. एकदाच बरोवपाचो denominator the whole square. आता स्क्वेअर हांव सेपरेट करता फॉर न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर. सो 1 plus sin a the whole square upon cos square a or cos a the whole square you can write. Next 1 plus sin a can be written as 1 plus sin a into 1 plus sin a. दोन फावटी बरोवपाचे आनी cos square a you know that it is 1 minus sin square a. Now 1 minus sin square a is a square minus b square. आता a square minus b square formula you know, a square minus b square is equal to a minus b and a plus b. So using that numerator I am keeping as it is 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a. So using this formula I am writing this as 1 minus sin a into 1 plus sin a. Now 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a get cancel and 1 minus sin a and upon 1 minus sin a we get left hand side. So right hand side you can start and you can solve like this. आता हांव तुमकां left hand side इतल्यान solve करून कशें मेळटा तें दाखयता. left hand if you start from left hand side also you can get right hand side. So let us solve left hand start with left hand side. Normally आमी left hand side इतल्यान solve करता. And most of you got this identity wrong. So let me show you this identity from left hand side also. So left hand side is 1 plus sin a upon 1 minus sin a. Now you multiply and divide by 1 plus sin a. Now denominator is 1 minus sin a, so you have to multiply by with opposite sign, that is 1 plus sin a. So 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a will be 1 plus sin a the whole square and 1 minus sin a into 1 minus sin a. Again we are using this formula, a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. So if this side is given we write it as 1 square minus sin square a. 1 square is 1. So 1 plus sin a the whole square upon cos 1 minus sin square a is cos square a. Now we can write this as 1 plus sin a upon cos a the whole square. म्हणजे सेपरेट न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटराचो असो स्क्वेअर तो एकीच कडे घालप. So this we can write now. Inside see the bracket whatever is inside the bracket. Now I am writing this 1 upon cos a. I am writing the denominator separately. दोगांकू हांव सेपरेट बरयता upon sin a upon cos a. आमी जेन्ना अशें आसता पळय a upon b plus c upon b असता. When denominator is common we write it once and add the numerator. In this case this part is given and we are writing this part. So 1 plus and this is a whole square. Now you know 1 upon cos a is sec a plus sin a upon cos a is tan a the whole square, and this we get right hand side. So this is right hand side. So both way you can solve. You can start from left hand side or you can start with right hand side. Now next question is Evaluate the following expression by using the known numerical value. Now cos square 45 plus 2 sin 30 into tan 45 plus x square 45 upon 4 sin square 60 into cos square 0. आता जे व्हॅल्यूज बरोवपाक जाय तुमकां, तो व्हॅल्यू खबर आसपाक जाय ना. cos square 45, cos square 45, cosec 45. Cosec 45 is root 2. Then sin 30 is half. Sec tan 45 is 1. Sec 45 is root 2. Sin 60 is root 2 upon 2 and cos 0 is 1. Now if you substitute all the values correctly, then you get directly 1.5 mark. Then for solving, then by correct समज सॉल्व केले तुम्ही. आता हांगासर सॉल्विंग पळया. रूट 2 स्क्वेअर इज 2 प्लस 2 into half into this I am putting in the bracket into 1 plus root 2 square again 2 upon 4 into root 3 upon 2 the whole square. Root 3 upon 2 is 3 upon root 3 square is 3 upon 4 into 2 into 1 square is 1. Now this get cancelled. 2 and 2 you can cancel. So this will be 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 2 is 3 upon. Now here also you can cancel 4 and 4. So 3 remains. So 3 urta 3 into 2 into 1. Now 2 plus 1 is 3 into 3 upon 3 into 3 into 2 into 1. Now here you can cancel 3 and here you can cancel 3 and so in the question it is cos square 0. So here this 2 is not the answer ki anga mistake zala ho 2 hangasar na. So ho 2 hangasar na, this 2 is not there, this 2 is not there, answer ki there is a mistake here. So 3 and 3 you can cancel, so answer is 3. So question an answer kire asa 4 sin square 60 into cos square 0 and cos square 0 and cos square 0 is 1 and 4 into sin square 60 is root 3 upon 2. So this 2 is not there. So there is a mistake here in the answer key. So answer is 3. The distance of the next question number 6a, the distance of the point P minus 6, 8 from the origin is 0. From the origin is 0, 0 is the origin and distance of minus 6, minus 6, 8. We have to find the distance and you know distance formula. आता distance from the origin असा तुमको formula हो खबर असा x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. आता x1 and y1 दोन्ही 0 असा म्हणजे minus square root of minus 6 square हो 0 असा तो घेवपाची गरज ना. परत y1 0 असा so 8 square. 6 square is root of 36 plus 8 square is 64. So square root of 36 plus 64 is 100 and square root of 100 is 10. So answer is 10. Question number B, find the relation between x and y such that the point PXY is equidistant from the point A 3,6 and B minus 3,6. Now relation between the point A and B. Suppose there is a point P, let us take coordinate of P as x and y. Then A, coordinate of A are 3,6 and coordinate of B are minus 3,6. Question is find the relation between x and y such that P x, y is equidistant from the point A, B. Now P A आणि B चे coordinate दिला आणि P and PB are equidistant म्हणून दिला. So equidistant म्हणजे AP is equal to BP. So see here it is written. Now you know distance formula is square root. Square root आमकां नाका म्हणटकूच आमी कितें करप, आमी AP स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू BP स्क्वेअर. AP स्क्वेअर म्हणजे स्क्वेअर रूट बरोवपाची गरज ना मागीर. वी नो द डिस्टन्स फॉर्म्युला इज स्क्वेअर रूट. स्क्वेअर रूट येवपाक जाय आमकां दोन्ही सायडींनी स्क्वेअर करपाचें. आतां स्क्वेअर करून तुमकां मेळटा पळय x2 मायनस x1 द होल स्क्वेअर प्लस y2 मायनस y1 द होल स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू अगेन सेम हेजो डिस्टन्स फॉर्म्युला बरोवपाचो. म्हणजे हांगासर जेन्ना तुमी AP घेता तेन्ना खंयचो x1 हो समज तुमी x1 x2 घेतलो हो x2 y2 घेवपाचो. सो दॅट विल बिकम x मायनस 3 द होल स्क्वेअर प्लस y मायनस 6 द होल स्क्वेअर. सो रायट हँड सायड कितें जातलें आतां ही सायड तशें जातलें BP स्क्वेअर. आतां ही सायड घेवपाची. हांगा तुमचे x1 x2 जातलो. सो दिस विल बी x मायनस ऑफ मायनस 3 विल बी x प्लस 3 द होल स्क्वेअर प्लस y मायनस 4 द होल स्क्वेअर. हांगासर x मायनस ऑफ मायनस 3 येतलो म्हणून x प्लस 3 जालो. So now using the formula a minus b the whole square you have to solve this. So this will become x square minus 6x plus 9 plus y square minus 12y plus 36. Like this you have to solve. So how step etlo tumso. This step you will get. And for this writing this you get half mark. Then for this step half mark. This step half term and final equation you get 3x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. So if you completely solve everything then you get 2 marks for this. Now next question number C. Find the coordinates of the point of trisection. Find the coordinates of the point of trisection. Trisection of the line segment joining P4 comma minus 1 and Q minus 2 comma minus 3. आता trisection म्हणजे कितें? If you take now if you let us consider this line AB. Let us consider this line AB. Now find the coordinates of the point of trisection of the line segment joining P and Q. आता P and Q दिला, so let us take that P and Q only. So P and Q. And P coordinates are given as 4 comma minus 1 and Q coordinates are given as minus 2 comma minus 3. So we have to find the coordinates of trisection. Trisection म्हणजे 3 पार्ट्सांनी डिवाइड जाला. 3 पार्ट्स इट इज डिवायडेड इंटू 3 पार्ट. सो आम्ही हेजो हांगा कॉर्डिनेट्स काडपाक जाय आनी हेजे कॉर्डिनेट्स काडपाक जाय. आता ते आन्सर की तुम्ही पळय जाल्यार हांगासर पळया. Let A and B be the point of trisection. म्हणजे तुम्ही खंयचे you can take any letter. Now they have taken A and B as the point of trisection of the line segment PQ. A divides PQ in the ratio. आता A divides PQ in the ratio म्हणजे आता समज आम्ही PQ घेतलो आणि A divides PQ. आता हांगासर 1 पार्ट्सान ट्रायसेक्शन म्हणजे 3 इक्वल पार्ट्सान डिवाइड जाला. आता A आम्ही कितले हितून डिवाइड करतले? हो 1 जातलो आणि हांगाच्यान हांगा 1 प्लस 1 2 जातलो. सो हांगा A divides let A divides PQ in the ratio 1:2 जो 1:2 मेळटा. And suppose if you take P and Q and here we get B. आता B divides PQ in the ratio. आता B divides कशें करता? हांगा B म्हणटकूच हांगाचो हो 2:1 जातलो. So B divides in the ratio 2:1. Then we use section formula and solve this sum. आता P चे कोऑर्डिनेट आमकां खबर आसा 4 comma minus 1 and Q चे -2 comma -3. आता A चे कोऑर्डिनेट्स काडपाक जाय आमकां. सपोज A कोऑर्डिनेट्स आसा x comma y. How we find coordinates of A? X coordinate आम्ही कसो काडटा? X is equal to section formula कसो काडटा आम्ही? Suppose this is M1 and this is M2. We find M1 x1 plus M2 x2 upon M1 plus M2. So that will be, this will be, so coordinates of A. So X coordinate आम्ही कसो काडटलो? M1. जो 1:2, 1 into -2, 1 into -2 plus 2 into 4. So 2 into 4 upon 1 plus 2. आणि y coordinates कशा काडटा आम्ही? Y coordinates 1 into -3 plus 2 into -1 upon 1 plus 2. So हो स्टेप तेंच्यांनी हांगा घेवंक ना डायरेक्टली. इवन इफ यू don't write, if you do directly you get here half mark. म्हणजे हो स्टेप तेंच्यांनी करूंक ना. हांगा डायरेक्टली -2 plus 8 upon 3 into -3 -2 upon 3. So this step they have taken. And finally minus 2 plus 8, minus 2 plus 8 we get 6 upon 3 into minus 5 upon 3, and this after cancelling we get 2 comma minus 3. Like this we get coordinates of A. And similarly coordinates of B काडपा खातीर same way B काडपाचे तुम्ही 2 into this coordinate minus 2 into minus 2 plus 1 into 4 upon 2 plus 1, same way. So like this, so you get 3 marks for solving this. Then next question is find the area of a triangle whose vertices are A, B and C. Vertices of A, B and C are given. Triangle. There is a triangle here A, B, C. Vertices of A, B and C are given. A is given as minus 4 comma minus 2. B is given as minus 3 comma minus 5 and C is given 2 comma 3. First you should write the formula. आता formula correct formula पहिली बरोवपाक जाय. The formula हांगा बरोवंक ना कित्याक formulaक marks ना. There are no marks for the formula, but after writing the formula सगळे correct substitute. If you are substituting everything correctly you get half mark. Then मधले steps आसा तेका 1 mark दिला आणि final answer आसा तेका half mark दिला. So middle step आसा ते हांगासरूच आसा तितलेच आसूंक जाय अशें ना. तुमचे extra सुद्धा step आसा but correct step, then you will get full 2 marks. Then next question, AB is the diameter of the circle whose center is M. Now AB is the diameter of the circle whose center is M minus 3 comma minus 2. If the coordinates of B are 2 comma minus 7 and find the coordinates of A. A चे coordinates काडपाक जाय आमकां. Suppose coordinates of A are x comma y. Now same way हांगासर x comma y चे coordinates आमकां काडपाक जाय. Coordinates of A is x comma y. Now we know that M is the midpoint. M is the midpoint of AB. M is the center, so it is a midpoint. And तो midpoint म्हणटकूच हो -3 आमकां कसो मेळटलो. midpoint कसो मेळटा आमकां -3 comma -2. How we are getting -3? -3 मेळटा आमकां x plus 2 upon 1 plus 1 म्हणजे 1 plus 1. midpoint म्हणटकूच divides in the ratio 1:1. So m1 plus m2 is 2 and we get -2 how? Y plus 7. So plus into minus is -7 upon 2. And then we solve it separately. Then separately आमकां solve करपाक जाय. X plus 2 upon 2 is equal to -3 and y minus 7 upon 2 is equal to -2. After solving this x plus 2 is equal to -6, x is equal to -6 minus 2, that is x is equal to -8 and y minus 7 is equal to -4. So y is equal to -4 minus 7 -4 minus y minus 7 upon 2 is equal to -2. So this is -4 plus 7. So -7 become +7. So y is equal to +3. So this value coordinates of A are -8 comma 3. Next question. If sin 6x is equal to cos 3x, the value of x is. Now sin 6x, whenever such type of question comes, 6x plus 3x is equal to 90. So 9x is equal to 90. X is equal to 90 divided by 9. So x is equal to 10. So answer is 10. Next question, in triangle ABC, angle ABC is equal to 90 degrees. Angle AB is equal to BC. P is the midpoint of BC. PQ is perpendicular to AC at Q. Prove that triangle ABC is equal to 8 times area of triangle PQC. Now see this rider. In this rider, triangle ABC and triangle PQC. The ho जो व्हडलो triangle आसा ABC, this ABC, and this small triangle, we have to prove it similar. Now the similar prove करपा खातीर दोन खंयचे angle equal आसपाक जाय. In this which are the two angles which are equal? Angle C is equal to angle C, that is common angle. Angle C is common for both small triangle and big triangle also. Then angle ABC, this angle ABC is equal to PQR, and that is each measure is 90 degree. And once if you prove any two angles equal, two triangles become similar by AA similarity criteria. Once the two triangles are similar, the ratio of area is equal to square of proportional side according to the theorem. तो दोन्ही ट्रायंगलाची आमी area is equal to square of proportional sides. Square of proportional side खंयची? आता all three proportional sides, all three are square of all the three are proportional, but we are taking AC square upon PC square, AC square upon PC square. So AC square upon PC square घेना फुडें AC can be written as AC square. AC square म्हणजे ही side आम्ही घेतले. AC square upon PC square, we are taking this side. But PC square is this side. But AC can be written as, now this AC can be written as AB square plus BC square by using the Pythagoras theorem. And after writing the Pythagoras theorem, आता हांगासर पळया, AB square plus BC square upon PC square. आता BC square आणि AB square is equal to हांगासर. Hanga what is given? AB is equal to BC. So in place of AB, we are taking BC square plus BC square upon PC square, because AB is equal to BC. Now BC square plus BC square is 2BC square upon PC square. मागीर हांगासर BC is equal to, now again BC is equal to twice PC. आता substitute करून, after substituting this, we get area of triangle ABC is equal to 8 times area of triangle PQC. The next question is construct triangle ABC in which AB is equal to 7 cm, BC is equal to 6 cm, AC is equal to 5 cm. Then now in case of construction, to construct triangle ABC means original triangle तुम्ही काढपा खातीर, correct, by using compass, you get 1 marks. To draw a ray making an acute angle, म्हणजे triangle तुम्ही correct काढलो, you get 1 marks. Then to draw a ray making an acute angle with side BC, म्हणजे BC हांगासर where very important, हांगा dash हांगा BC ना, so B is the common point. हांगा B पॉइंटा कडल्यानूच acute angle काढपाक जाय. समज तुम्ही C कडल्यान A कडल्यान काढत जाल्यार construction is wrong. So you get half mark. To locate 4 points using the pair of compass. Now because we are drawing 3/4 म्हणजे highest number is 4 divisions करपा खातीर तुमका half mark मेळटले. To join B4, because denominator is 4, we are joining B4, so join B4. To join the B4, we get another half mark. Then to draw parallel, both the this parallel line passing through B3, we get another half mark. Then to draw parallel line from here, you get another half mark. So if full construction is correct, you get 3 marks. The next construction is draw a segment OP of length 7.6 cm, taking O as the center and radius 3 cm. To draw circle with center O and radius, just to draw the circle with the help of compass, you get half mark. To take a point at a distance 7.6 cm from O, you get half mark. Then to bisect line, you get half mark. To mark the point T and S on the circle, half mark. Like this you get 2.5 mark. Then remaining half mark you get to measure and write the length of the segment, and actually the correct length of the tangent segment is 7 cm, but even if you get 6.9 or 7.1 cm, you get full 3 marks. Next question is question number 8A. In triangle ABC, in triangle LMN, angle ML is equal to 50 degrees, N is equal to 60. Therefore, triangle LMN is similar to triangle PQR, then Q is equal to dash. Now, L, M, N is similar to PQR, then angle Q is equal to कितलो काय विचारला. तर L is equal to P, सिमिलर म्हटले का L is equal to P, N is equal to R. L आणि M दोन्ही खबर आसा आमकां. M is equal to Q, म्हणजे M आमकां खबर ना, तो आमी फाइंड आउट करू शकता बाय एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी. नाव 60 plus 50 is 110, total is 180, 180 minus 110 is 70. So this will be, this is 70, so Q is also 70 degrees. So answer is 70 degrees. Now next question is, if 3 sin A is equal to 4 cos A, then find the value of tan A. Now 3 sin A is equal to 4 cos A. This is very simple. Now, as you know that tan A is equal to sin A upon cos A. This we know. So this 3 is multiplied, when it goes on other side it is divided. So sin A is equal to 4 upon it is divided, and this cos A is multiplied, so other side it is divided. So sin A upon cos A is 4 upon 3. Now sin upon cos is 10. So tan A is equal to 4 upon 3. To solve this like this, you get directly 1 mark. Next question is, two poles of height 6 meter and 11 meters stand on the plain ground. The distance between their feet is 12 meters. The rope is tied tightly from the top of one pole to the other pole. Answer the following. Draw an appropriate figure. आता हांगासर आन्सर की नाव दाखयता तुमकां. ओपे हो फिगर असो दाखयला. तुम्ही एक्झॅक्ट होच फिगर काडपाक जाय असोच जाल्यार तुमकां फुल मार्क्स मेळटले अशें कांय ना. सी, विदाउट लुकिंग एट दॅट आय एम शोइंग हाऊ टू ड्रॉ. Two poles of height 6 meters. Suppose this is 6 meter pole. Now pole म्हटल्यार म्हणटकू ग्राउंड येतलो. This is a ground. This is a 6 meter pole and 11 meter. You have to draw with the help of ruler. 11 meter म्हणजे मातसो व्हडलो आसतलो. 11 meter. Stand on the playground. The distance between their feet is 12 meters. This is 12 meter. Now a rope is tied tightly from the top of one pole to the other pole. म्हणजे top of one pole to other pole. Answer the following question. Now this, even if you draw this figure, you get 1 mark. Draw an appropriate figure. Then find the length of the rope. आता length of the rope म्हणजे हे फाइंड आउट करचे पडले तुमकां. आता हे फाइंड आउट करपाक अशाच फिगरान तुमकां डायरेक्टली यू कॅनॉट फाइंड दिस. सो वॉट यू शुड ड्रॉ, यू ड्रॉ अ लाइन परपेंडिक्युलर टू दिस. सो हो म्हणजे हो आता तुमचो, this becomes your rectangle. If this is a rectangle, you know this is 12 meter. Opposite sides are equal. If this is 6 meter, this is also 6 meter. You know from here to, from full part from here to here it's 11 meter. If this is 6, this will be 5 meter. Then if this is 90 degree, this is also 90 degree. Then you can find this by using Pythagoras theorem, because you know two sides. So you can find this side by using Pythagoras theorem. Now see the answer key. See the figure. This is the figure. So if you draw this figure, it is correct. Now to find this AD, we have used Pythagoras theorem. AD square is equal to D square plus A square. हांगासर हो Pythagoras theorem आमी letters बी काय हांगा नेम करूंक ना. So directly length of the rope you can take like this. Length of the rope you can write like this. Letters the name karnala you can find like this. 5 square plus 12 square you can find like this. So 25 plus 144. So this like this. So 25 plus 144, 169. So this become 1 square root. So 169, square root of 169 is 13 meters. So length of the rope is 13 meters. So हांगासर एक्झॅक्ट हांगा आसा तशेंच येवपाक जाय अशें कांय ना. असोच द फिगर काडल्यार you get 1 mark, and to find the length of the rope you get 1 mark. Now next question is question number C. In triangle ABC, this is a theorem. This is a Pythagoras theorem. Now Pythagoras theorem in the lesson triangle, there are 3 theorems Pythagoras theorem, converse of Pythagoras theorem, and basic proportionality theorem, also ratio of area of triangle. Those theorems you have to do thoroughly, and theorem should come same steps, तशक तशे steps असपाक जाय theorem. You cannot write anyhow. So theorem, this directly, actually 3 marks you can directly score for theorem. The theorem perfectly prepare करी जाल्यार 3 marks you can easily score. Now next question is D. Given A, B, C are points on OP, OQ and OR respectively, such that AB is parallel to PQ, AC is parallel to PR, and show that BC is parallel to QR. Now see this rider. Now in triangle POQ, AP is parallel to PQ is given. आता हांगासर पळया, see in this figure, AP is in triangle, or directly I'm showing you here. Now in triangle POQ, आता हो triangle घेऊया आमी. In this triangle we know that AB is parallel to PQ. We know that AB is parallel to BQ. These two are parallel. Now if these two are parallel, you know, according to BPT, आता BPT तुमका खबर आसा की हे दोन्ही समज parallel असले जाल्यार these sides are proportional. So you know that OA upon AP is equal to OB upon BQ. This you know. Then AC is parallel to PR. Then we'll consider this triangle. ह्या triangle आम्ही consider करपाक जाय. आता AC is parallel. Then again this AC is parallel to PR. So we can write AC is parallel to PR. So we can write OA upon PA or AP is equal to OC upon CR. This we know. This we got. Now show that BC is parallel to QR. म्हणजे BC आणि QR हे दोन्ही parallel आमका दाखोवपाक जाय. Now in this, if you see this part and this part is same. So can we write, so if this is same, we can write OP upon BQ is equal to OC upon CR. Now see the triangle. If you see the triangle again, now this triangle OP upon QR, OP upon BQ is equal to OC upon CR. म्हणजे हे दोन्ही साइड समज, if this and this sides are proportional, we can say that BC is parallel to QR.